Ultimate no-carb, no-sugar foods. List for weight loss and health introduction. In today's world of quick fixes, fad diets, and seemingly endless food trends, finding a diet plan that offers sustainable results can be challenging. One approach that has gained significant attention for its potential to help people lose weight and improve overall health is the no-carb, no-sugar diet. This diet focuses on eliminating two key components from our daily intake: carbohydrates and sugar. The idea behind this diet is to encourage the body to burn fat for energy instead of relying on glucose from sugars and carbs, which could lead to weight gain and energy crashes. The benefits of cutting carbs and sugars are vast. It helps with weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and decreasing hunger. In addition, it can have positive effects on health markers like blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and insulin sensitivity. However, adhering to this diet can feel restrictive if you don't have a clear understanding of which foods to eat. In this article, we'll provide you with an ultimate list of no-carb, no-sugar foods that will not only support weight loss, but also promote overall health. These foods will help you maintain energy levels and enjoy meals that align with your health goals. Let's dive in! Why cut carbs and sugars? Before jumping into the list, let's briefly explore why cutting carbs and sugar has become a popular choice for many health-conscious individuals. 1. Weight loss. Carbohydrates, especially refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and sweets, are quickly converted into glucose, sugar, in the body. When glucose is not used as immediate energy, it gets stored as fat. This process can contribute to weight gain. By eliminating carbs and sugar from your diet, your body will have no choice but to burn fat for energy, leading to weight loss. 2. Reduced insulin spikes. Sugar intake directly affects insulin levels in the body. Every time you consume sugar, your body releases insulin to help metabolize it. Elevated insulin levels over time can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Cutting sugar and carbs can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 3. Stable energy levels. Without sugar and refined carbs, your body is less likely to experience the blood sugar roller coaster. This can lead to more consistent energy levels throughout the day, preventing the fatigue and cravings that often follow a sugary snack or carb-heavy meal. 4. Improved heart health. A diet rich in refined carbs and sugar can contribute to high cholesterol and increased risk of heart disease. On the other hand, reducing your intake of these foods can help lower bad cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular health. Now that we've covered the why, let's move on to the ultimate list of no-carb, no-sugar foods that can help you achieve your weight loss and health goals. The ultimate no-carb, no-sugar foods list. 1. Lean meats. Lean meats are excellent sources of protein that contain little to no carbs or sugar. They provide the body with the nutrients it needs for muscle repair, immune function, and overall health. Some great options include: 1. Chicken breast, low in fat and high in protein. 2. Turkey, a lean source of protein. 3. Beef. Opt for grass-fed beef, which contains healthier fats. 4. Pork. Choose lean cuts like pork tenderloin. 5. Lamb, another high-protein, low-carb option. 2. Fish and seafood. Vegan seafood are naturally free of carbs and sugar. They also offer healthy fats like omega-3s, which are essential for brain function and heart health. Top options include: 1. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Tuna, high in protein and low in fat. 3. Sardines, packed with nutrients and healthy fats. 4. Shrimp, a low-calorie, high-protein seafood choice. 5. Mackerel, another oily fish rich in omega-3s. 3. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats with minimal carbs. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. Eggs also provide vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, choline, and selenium. Whether you enjoy scrambled, poached, or boiled eggs, they're an essential part of a no-carb, no-sugar diet. 4. Leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables. Vegetables are crucial for overall health and provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. For a no-carb, no-sugar diet, it's best to focus on non-starchy, leafy greens and vegetables. These vegetables are low in carbs and sugar, making them ideal for weight loss. Some great options include 1. Spinach, low in carbs and rich in iron. 2. Kale, packed with nutrients and fiber. 3. Lettuce, a great addition to salads. 4. Zucchini, low in calories and carbs, perfect for roasting or stir-frying. 5. Cauliflower, a versatile vegetable that can be used as a substitute for rice or mashed potatoes. 6. Broccoli, high in fiber and antioxidants. 7. Asparagus, low in carbs and full of vitamins A and K. 5. Avocados. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like potassium. They contain very little sugar or carbs, making them a great option for anyone following a no-carb, no-sugar diet. They also promote satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied longer. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, while being low in carbs and sugar. They are perfect for snacking or adding to meals for extra crunch. Some excellent choices include 1. Almonds, a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. 2. Walnuts, packed with omega-3s and antioxidants. 3. Chia seeds, high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Flax seeds, rich in fiber and beneficial fats. 5. Pumpkin seeds, a good source of magnesium and zinc. 7. Cheese is a great option for a no-carb, no-sugar diet, as it contains very few carbs and is loaded with protein and calcium. Some of the best cheese options include cheddar, rich in calcium and protein. 2. Mozzarella, a low-carb cheese that's perfect for salads. 3. Parmesan, adds flavor and is low in carbs. 4. Brie, a creamy cheese that's low in carbs and high in fat. 8. Olives and olive oil. Olives and olive oil are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Olives themselves are low in carbs, and they can be eaten as a snack or used to add flavor to meals. Olive oil, on the other hand, is an excellent cooking oil choice that complements a low-carb, no-sugar diet. 9. Coconut. Coconut, in its various forms, is an excellent food for a no-carb, no-sugar diet. Whether you choose coconut oil for cooking, shredded coconut for baking, or coconut milk for smoothies, it's a great source of healthy fats and fiber. Coconut also has a naturally low-carb content, making it a valuable addition to your diet. 10. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices can elevate your meals without adding any carbs or sugar. They not only provide flavor, but also offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Some great options to consider are 1. Basil. 2. Oregano. 3. Cilantro. 4. Thyme. 5. Rosemary. 6. Turmeric. These herbs and spices are rich in antioxidants and can add depth to your dishes while keeping your carb and sugar intake to a minimum. Conclusion. Adopting a no-carb, no-sugar diet can seem daunting at first, but with the right foods, it's entirely possible to create satisfying, healthy meals that support both weight loss and overall wellness. By focusing on protein-rich lean meats, fish, eggs, leafy greens, and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, you'll be fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive while avoiding the blood sugar spikes and crashes associated with carbs and sugar. Not only will you see improvements in your weight, but you may also notice better energy levels, clearer skin, and improved mental clarity. If you're ready to embark on a no-carb, no-sugar journey, the foods on this list will be your ultimate guide to success. Happy eating, and here's to your health.